and welcome to my desk. Another parcel. I really don't know why I ordered this, as it's really not my type of thing. Sure, it's called an ephemera box, but I'm not really that into make and do. But who can resist something that comes with a personalized nameplate, string, and a wax seal. Of course, it comes wrapped in a bubble wrap envelope, so this is what is inside the bubble wrap envelope, and it is very sweet indeed. So we remove the lid, and this is from R.atelier, and each item is wrapped or in a small envelope, which of course adds to the excitement. You get a selection of things, paper ephemera, stickers, and what's called, I think, washi tape, which I really don't understand. I don't know what you use it for, but it causes great excitement on the internet. I think it's basically a decorative tape that's slightly sticky. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So this is a washi tape, and as you can see, it's got a little design on it. I'm not even sure what that design is supposed to be. Little numbers with lines. I suppose that's very sweet. A second tape. And again, little numbers and letters. And the idea being that you would decorate, I suppose, your bullet journal or something like that. This box ships directly from China, and so it takes a little longer to get here than most boxes, which usually ship from either the United States or the UK. It's a 6-month subscription, and as far as I can tell, it does not automatically renew, but I'll let you know in 6 months' time. And I have to say, it's not something I would probably renew, although undoubtedly I will enjoy not only some of the items myself, but also giving them away to family and friends who enjoy crafting. I'm fairly certain my 7-year-old niece is going to really love some of the things. So again, a decorative tape. And I mean very sweet, if a little corny. So I believe this will be some form of stamp, ink stamp. Now I do like ink stamps, and I do use ink stamps, but perhaps not the decorative ones. Oh, now I will use this one. This is a telescope, and the seller is extremely clever insofar as the front of the box also includes stamps created with the items that come in the box. So that's the telescope one, and I really do like that a lot. I'm trying not to speak over the opening, as it's quite rustly. I'm not even sure what that is. It appears to be a leaf with some pipes. I'll stamp it and pop it up next time I do a video on this particular box. So, I mean, the little envelope, I mean, to die for. So these are just some little artists' drawings, paintings. And as I said, the box ships from China. Lovely. These envelopes are marvelous. I can see me reusing those myself. So these appear to be stickers. I'll just lay some of them out. Some watches and some clocks and some balloons. I do rather like the balloon ones, so family and friends, keep your beady eyes off those. And some numbers. I'm not really sure. I'm sure somebody will be able to tell me what you could use these for. Decoupage, is that even a thing anymore? Lots of little things. This one puzzles me. because it is a very large sticker, which is simply a replica letter with a plant drawn on it. Likewise this one overlaid, and this one in particular, one would have hoped that the letters would be individual things, but this is in fact a whole sticker in of itself, which seems oddly pointless. Second last item. Another envelope filled with ephemera. And again, these are cardboard. These are not stickers. These are simply pieces of paper with designs stamped on them. Again, an inexplicable duck with the entire alphabet. Not sure what one would use that for. This is a small little notebook. About 6 pages. It has its uses. These I do like because I love ferns or anything fern-like. Seems to be a nameplate. It's not sticky, but I imagine I could use some form of glue to stick it down. So I really like those, mainly because I like the image. Where I struggle is when I don't particularly have an affinity with the image. And I'm not sure if that's correct in terms of dates for August. These are very sweet. I suppose you could use them as bookmarks, small bookmarks. They're about the size of an old cigarette card. And a couple of the pictures are really nice. And this says cherish and this says eternal. And again, not sure what use you could make of 3 pieces of paper other than perhaps writing somebody some notes. And a very delightful postcard. I really like that image. And the final item is, I understand, stamps. Apologies for all the rustling noises. So these are stamps, and I really like these because these speak to my interest in history. We have a shirt, we have a rapier, we have a dragonfly, fleur-de-lis or fleur-de-lis type shape, a top hat, and a sort of medieval or early modern medicine mask, doctor type thing. So I really like those, and as I said before, some of those feature on the front of the box, so you can see how you would use them. So that's it from that unboxing. As I say, I am looking forward to the remaining 5 boxes, but that's not to say that this is something that I would subscribe to afterwards. From what I understand, you can pick up a lot of these items on sort of wholesale sites in China, and if you're willing to take the risk of getting that sort of thing in from a wholesale site in China, apparently they work out at pence each. But the whole idea of this box, of course, is that it is curated for you. So I shall see you next time.